Hi, my name is Elgin and I'm from Böhler Welding, Asia Pacific. So this is our seamless flux cord wire technology. While the Böhler diamondspark has come in a very wide range of welding consumables. So we have flux cord wire from alloy to high alloy, duplex, as well as the base seamless flux cord wire. So today what we have here is the diamondspark gut series, which is actually a seamless flux cord with what we call a gut series because it's a low manganese wire. So when you have a low manganese wire, it actually produces less poisonous gas so that it actually protects the welder's health, right? Although the diamondspark series is classified under H4, but we Böhler actually guarantee that the hydrogen levels will be between 1 to 3 ml per every 100 grams of weld.